Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make Keto Wowbutter chocolate chip cookies. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you're going to need 1/3 cup of wow butter, a half a stick of unsalted butter, and you want that softened, 1/3 cup of brown sugar substitute, I'm using the Monkfruit, 1 large egg, a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3/4 cup of Carbquik, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/4 cup of sugar-free chocolate chips. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to preheat my oven to 375 and line a baking sheet with parchment paper or spray it with cooking spray. Alright, in a large bowl we're going to blend together our wow butter, and our sugar substitute with an electric mixer until it's combined. Alright, next we are adding in the egg and vanilla extract and just beating it again. Alright, now I added in the Carbquik and baking soda and I'm just going to mix it again. Alright, now I'm just folding in the chocolate chips with the spatula. Alright, all my chocolate chips are incorporated there, so now I am going to use a cookie scoop and scoop out tablespoon-sized dough balls and place them on my prepared cookie sheet. Alright, my first batch of cookies is ready to go into the oven for 10 minutes. Now mine, I did have generous scoops and I just took some off because you are supposed to make 24 out of this and there was no way with my big scoops I was going to get 24. So let's go ahead and get these in the oven. Alright, my first batch of cookies just came out of the oven and they were still really gooey, so I kind of just pushed down on the top of each one with my spatula, and I'm going to let them cool for about 5 minutes, so hopefully they harden up before I move them to the cooling rack. Alright, all of my cookies are out of the oven and cooled off, and we'll see what Taste Tester thinks. According to my carb count, they should be less than 1 carb per cookie. Alright, I got one here for Taste Tester. Let's see what he thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Yeah, enough for all. That's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like, subscribe.
Bye.